Hi, my name is Jared Stoner and I'm in Mrs. Kranau's 6th grade math class. Today is April 29th, 2020, and I will be making a Death by Chocolate Peanut Butter Dunk Cake. Let's get started by preheating the oven. Then in a medium bowl, we will be adding my chocolate cake mix. So I'll pour that in there real quick. And then in the same bowl, I will be adding my chocolate pudding mix. Then I will be adding 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Now we'll have to add 2 cups of milk. Now we'll be mixing all the ingredients together. Now that I got the cake batter mixed up, I'm going to be adding chocolate chips. Now that I have the chocolate chips in and the cake batter mixed, I'm going to be adding some Reese's peanut butter chips. Now we're going to fold them in. Now I'm going to spray it with some pan cooking spray. And then put my mix in the pan. Now that we have all of that done, we're going to put it in the oven for 35 minutes on 350 degrees. We'll see you after. Wow, that looks good. Can't wait to eat it after it cools. I hope you enjoyed my video. Sorry for all the laughs. Thank you. Hi, my name is Jared Stoner and I'm from... Hi, my name is Jared Stoner and I am in this... Now that we have all of my cake mix mixed up, I'm going to be putting in the chocolate chips. Ooh.